Hey everybody, welcome back. We've got another Monday motivation tip for you this week, and today I'm going to show you a feature that I think is overlooked by a lot of people. And I'm sure most of you are familiar with the section here that you can use to add a conversation about a specific item, but a lot of people might not realize you can actually have a board level discussion using this icon here. So if you click on that, you get a similar interface to what you see inside of an item, but here you can have conversations with your whole team or discuss general topics about the board. And the great thing about this is they're not going to disappear. Let's say if the item is archived or moved to another board, so all the conversations can be kept in this one board. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.